Welcome to a new episode of Vase. I'm Jess, the founder of Epoch Floral Atelier. Today we've got a La Creuset cookware from a friend in Japan. I haven't opened it yet. I don't know what's inside. Let's see with Vase. This color is called Kokoro Japanese and it's a very beautiful green, and it also came with summer and spring recipes. Let's get started. Done! Ta-da! Some tips for you today. Tulips grow after they're cut, so make sure you leave some room for them to grow in your arrangement. Thank you for watching. Please leave me a comment below and let me know what would you like me to arrange. And I'll see you next time. Bye!